Today, I'm going to show you 9 ways how to get lower ping in games. I won't focus on the definition of ping right now, but in a short, ping is a measure of the time it takes for a signal to be transmitted from your computer to the server and back. A low ping means that the signal reaches the server and returns quickly, making the game more responsive and less laggy. A high ping can lead to delays in game responses and other connection issues. For comfortable gaming, the ping should ideally be in the range of 10 to 30 milliseconds. Playing with up to 45 milliseconds is still tolerable, but lags become noticeable. Beyond that, you're dealing with a really high ping. It's important to note that you can often find videos and articles on the internet recommending installing certain programs to reduce ping. However, this is not true. No program can help you reduce ping. Even worse, it will not be a program, but a hidden virus that can install a miner or simply block all your files. So, what should you do to reduce ping? Tip number 1. Use Ethernet connection. If you're connected via Wi-Fi, the first thing you should do is switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Whether you're gaming on a laptop, desktop, or console, remember that a wired connection is always faster and more stable than wireless. Tip number 2. Check cable integrity. Check cables and ports for damage to avoid data transmission issues. Ensure that Ethernet cables and ports on your router and computer are intact and properly connected. Tip number 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, turn it off and on again really is the answer to high ping woes. Restarting your gaming device will get rid of sneaky processes that have been secretly introduced by other apps and fire up essential drivers that might be in dire need of an update. Tip number 4. Remove other devices from the network. Too many devices connected to the same network can really spoil your online gaming experience. You don't want your smart fridge to be leaching internet bandwidth that could be used for headshots. So the smart play is to disconnect any device you don't need during your gaming session. Tip number 5. Play on local servers. Select a server closer to your location or with better network infrastructure to reduce the time it takes for a signal to travel to and from the server. Most online games offer the option to select a server or at least a region. Tip number 6. Close background programs. Close all unnecessary programs and tasks that may be using network resources to free up bandwidth and reduce ping. Even background music playing through a browser can disrupt your gaming experience. Tip number 7. Update network card drivers. Periodically update your network card drivers to improve stability and connection speed. Here is a quick guide on how to update the drivers. Right-click on the Start button. Choose Settings. Then go to Windows Update. Select Advanced option and Optional updates. All available updates are displayed here. For stable computer operation, I recommend installing all of them. As you can see, I have no updates. Tip number 8. Play at different hours. It's a bitter pill to swallow, but you might need to change your online gaming habits to get the most out of your experience. High ping typically rears its ugly head in the early evening, when everyone's taking a breather after work. To play games with lower ping, switch your online sessions to a different time slot and use the evenings for offline or non-gaming related activities. Tip number 9. Choose the best internet provider. Choose a reliable internet provider that offers a stable and fast connection. Check reviews and ratings of providers in your region. I also recommend using the plan with the highest internet speed. Switching providers once solved my problem. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, you can buy me a coffee. All links are in description down below. And be sure to check out my other video on the topic, how to boost internet speed.